Every year, new gadgets arrive. Faster, shinier, packed with features. But batteries have always been the weak link. After a couple of years, your watch or earbuds barely last a day and you're forced to buy new ones. It's wasteful and expensive. Google's new Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2. A change that both have user-replaceable batteries. Now you can swap out an old battery yourself. No special tools, no complicated steps. This simple shift means your devices can last for years, not just until the battery fades. For the Pixel Watch 4, just unscrew the backplate to access the battery. For the Buds 2A, the case slides open and the battery pops out. It's a fundamental change. Less waste, more value, and real respect for the customer. Google is setting a new standard for repairability in tech. This isn't just about convenience, it's about sustainability and giving you control over your devices. By making repair easy, Google challenges the industry to prioritize longevity over disposability. It's a win for your wallet and the planet. The right to repair is finally here, and it's a game changer. This is the kind of innovation that matters. The era of throwaway tech might finally be ending. The Pixel Watch 4 isn't just about a replaceable battery, it's a major upgrade everywhere. The new domed display is bigger, brighter, and more immersive, with slimmer bezels and 3000 nits peak brightness. LTPO OLED tech means dynamic refresh rates for better battery life. Inside, a dual-chip system makes it 25% faster and 50% more efficient. Battery life now hits up to 40 hours, or 72 in saver mode, and charging is 25% faster. Health sensors abound. Heart rate, SPO2, ECG, skin temperature, and stress tracking. Dual-frequency GPS and satellite SOS add safety and accuracy for outdoor adventures. Wear OS 6 brings a refined UI, dynamic colors, and a smarter Gemini-powered assistant. The Pixel Watch 4 is a top-tier smartwatch, now with true longevity. The Pixel Buds 2. Finally bring premium features to Google's budget lineup. Active noise-cancelling debuts, using Silent Seal tech to block out distractions. The new design is smaller, lighter, and more comfortable, with integrated stabilizing arcs. Sound quality gets a boost from the same Tensor A1 chip as the Pro model, plus a customizable EQ. Transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings. Gemini Assistant is built in for hands-free help. Battery life, up to 7 hours with ANC, 10 without, and 20+ hours with the case. Most importantly, the case battery is user-replaceable. Just slide it out and swap. Premium features, repairability, and comfort, all at a budget price. The Pixel Buds 2A are now a serious contender.